Sanibona bafethu. Ngisacela ukubuza. Ubudoda obesintu nobufazi obesintu nabushonisaphi. Ngoba manje seniphila ama-Western life. Ngicela ukubuza ukusuka kwenu emakhaya nize ngapha eGoli ukuzoyizana udaka utshwala nokugijimisa amantombazane nokugijimisa amadoda. Into wayisukela ekhaya le. Ingani ningakwazi ukuzenzela izinto ningabantu abamnyama nincenga abanye abantu ukuthi baniqashe? Ingani ninganalo ufindo empilweni lenu ukuthi la ngiyagcina la ngeke ngize ngincenge la ngizoyiqhaqha lento le? Ingani uzodinga omunye umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi kumele uphile kanjani ngempilo yakho? Abantu abaningi abamnyama they are concentrating on the government ukuthi sincedakale kanjani ugovernment. Why are you living your life as a suffering person? Nikhalela ugesi, nikhalela amanzi, nikhalela yonke lento yamahala le. And even your children today, they are not raised as a people who are cultural, as a black people. You're raising your children as they are Western children. Number one, you don't feed your children a breast milk that came from a natural resource of a human, but you breast milk the child a milk that come from so many ingredients, with so many ingredients. Ingakho abantwana benu babakhula basangana, bakhula bangazazi, bakhula banhlupho, because they are not 100% of human. They are something else. And kunzima ukukhulisa umuntu ongasuye umuntu. Number two, you guys are demanding so much things. You can't even take one thing and go and sell it and come back home with the cash. You want someone to hire you. Always you're looking for a job, but you don't have a time for you to make the income. Number three, ubudoda lobuyenzayo ubudoda abanye ukuthi uthathe umuntu wesifazane usahlala eroomini. Umthatha kanjani umuntu owesifazane ohlala eroomini? Umlobola kanjani? Uyababona kanjani abo auntie bakho eroomini? How are you going to raise the family oyindoda okumele ube indoda ugijimisa ukuthatha umfazi osamele ukhanda impilo yakho? What are you guys doing with your life? Why you living like this? Everything that a black person does on this earth is a witchcraft. Mara umlungu, he's a son of God. Why are you living like this, guys? Why are you destroying your black culture for the Western life? Ngicabanga ukuthi umlungu makahamba ayothandaza ubiza igama le-English, wena mawuthandaza our father hulalala. Why ungakhulumi ilanguage yakho mawuthandaza? uNkulunkulu wakuyenza ngemistake yini ukuthi ukhuluma leyo language leyo ikhulumayo? Number 3, abafana abasakwazi nokushela. Wonke umuntu umfana ufuna ukuba isangoma, umuntu ufuna ukuba umfundisi, umuntu ufuna ukuba lo. Ubuphi ubudoda bakini ozokubiyenza ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi uyindoda wena ngokwakho? Guys, stop killing yourself for izinto ezistupid. Lempilo le oyidlalayo is will end one day. And uzobuhleli phansi ubuka njengemuvi ukuthi ngayimosha impilo yami ngisaphila ngisasenamandla. Stop doing that to yourself.
Don't settle. Don't settle by being around people who are not the greatest people to be around. Don't settle for a job that isn't a great job. So many people think they settle, they think it's the best situation that they can be with, they tolerate it. There's an open world. Just try to go from one to another until it's excellent. The best people around you and the best job that you can possibly have. Don't settle.
Abelungu bathetha isilungu noba sebethandaza.
Yes.
Ayikho enye language abazothetha Sotho xa bethandaza. Wena nxa usiya kuThixo uya ngesilungu. Ulindele uba uzokuphendula njani uThixo. Hayi ngokuthi akasivi isilungu wakunika ilanguage yakho. That's why ufumanise kuba izangoma maziye endumbeni. Uyabo noba kuthiwa mhlawumbe okanye uthwenga kangana uthetha isilungu kangakanani, but xa isiya pha endumbeni ufika bize like izinyanya zakhe okhokho bakhe ngesizulu okanye ngesisuthu but wena mawuthandaza uNkulunkulu ufuna umthandaza ngesilungu ulindele iAnswer P because awunikwanga uyayazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi wena ndokunike isuthu nangu umnikazi wesilungu so uzocela njani kum ngelanguage engeyo yakho